Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. Yes. In a previous class, we are starting multiple row subquery. Whenever child query returns a multiple values, then one error is occurred. Subquery returns more than one row is an error is occurred. Whenever this error is occurred, you are identifying, oh, maybe internally child query returns a multiple values because you are unable to guess it. Why? Because execution side only understandable. That query returns a multiple value, single value, we don't know. So now why? Because actually, so now based on the table data only, it will be returned. That's why whenever you are getting a what subquery returns more than one row is a error means just you are identifying child query returns a multiple values. That's why that is maybe multiple row subquery. In a multiple row subquery in place of is equal to, we are using a what? Which operator? In is a operator. In is a operator. Because multiple values we are comparing a what with the what single value in a left hand side impossible is equal to, in that case one by one by list of values comparing purpose in is an operator we are using one. That's why most popular query in a previous class we are telling, write a query to display the what employees who are getting maximum salary in each department. That is we are learning a what previous class. Here also some drawback is there, that is later you are familiar multiple column subquery side. Okay, up to this one you have an idea. Now just all come in and leave that one. Why? Because in after correlated again special concept I will tell you in this subquery chapter side. Up to that one we are discussing those things. And now check it out, concept right here. Suppose this is the EMP table is there, just practice purpose. Select star from EMP like this. Very easily understandable. Now this is the EMP table is there. Select a star from EMP like this. Again another table is there. Select a star from DEPT like this. Now simple example, a multiple row subquery is simple. I want to display the employees who are working in a where sales department means in a previous class a single row subquery, you have an idea. But I am asking about either sales or research department. Here, single column, multiple values you want to retrieve, then we go for or is the operator or in is the operator in a where child query or not. Here 20, 30, it will be written only multiple values. That's why I want to display the employees who are working in a where either sales or research departments from EMP, DEPD tables. Now this is a simple example. Now write it, another query. Write a query, multiple rows of query practice. Write a query. It's a predefined, very easy. Write a query. Write a query to display the employees who are working in either sales or research departments from EMP, DEPD tables DEPD tables. Write a query to display the employees who are working in either sales or research departments from EMP, DEPD tables. Now this is nobody mistaken. Slowly observe here how much easy observe here. Finished this query finished. Write a query to display the employees. This is a predefined query, very easy. Write a query to display the employees who are working in either research or sales departments from EMP, DEPD tables. But tables you are familiar. Now check it out. Here DEPD table is there. Here sales and research is available in a where multiple values are available in a single column. D name is a column. How I am also, you are also writing, first observe it here. Just so many fellows are writing. Good. Select star from EMP. Okay, don't write it here. Where here D name is equal to is not there. Why? Because in EMP table, D name is not there. That's why common column you have an idea or not. Where department number is equal to first time I am writing. Select. In a previous classes, we are learning our rules only after where class, whatever column is there, maybe same column or group function column possible. Here, same column I'm using, department number. From DEPT, okay, fine. Where D name is equal to sales. Up to this one, there is no problem. Okay, fine. Sales is a 1. But here multiple values are or in operator, D name is equal to research. I am writing. It won't work. Logically 100% correct also. Just what is the problem? Here child query select department number from DPT where D name is equal to sales or D name is equal to research. Logically correct. But here D name is equal to sales means 20 and D name is equal to research means 30 only. That's why yes, here multiple values are written by the child query. That is a problem. That's why here I am writing like this means automatically subquery returns, observe here, subquery returns more than one row. Oh, maybe subquery returns more than one row means just you are individually, you are executing a what child query better in a real-time project side. Now here, yes, here, then automatically, oh, maybe child query returns here, multiple values are not 20, 30, multiple values it will be returned. Whenever child query returns a multiple values, that is a multiple row subquery. Whenever we are using a what, a multiple row subquery, don't use is equal to operator. In place of this one, we are using a what, multiple values comparing means in operator we are using. Now just we are using a what, in is a operator. Simple. Oh, maybe multiple rows of query means in is a operator. Already we are discussing in a previous classes. Now here automatically. But you want to display in a where child query table columns means joins we are using in a where in a first parent query only. That is I am not telling. Just here write it, this error write it and solution write. Subquery returns more than one row is the output I want only. Okay. Writing this query and is equal to operator based error right because some fellows are doesn't know multiple rows. In operator no, yeah. That's why so many fellows are writing a word in operator through this one. Either or, either in. Solution. Error also write it. Error through only we are left. Completed this one. Today, very important concept. We are starting about main queries only. That is top and analysis onwards. Okay. Up to that one, single row, multiple row, basic you have an idea means then main queries you are learning. Completed. Just practice purpose, one or two queries, right? Suppose this is everyone writing, I think. Select star from EMP is there. Again, select star from DEPT is there. Now, I want to display those departments here from DEPT table, not EMP table. DEPT table department details I want to display. Those departments are available in a where EMP table. Suppose here 10, 20, 30 is available in a where EMP table. So now here, which departments are available in a where EMP table? Those departments I want to display. So now which departments are available? 10, 20, 30 is available in a where? EMP table. No? Those departments I want to display. Display those departments from DEPT table. Those departments are available in a where? EMP table. Okay, na? Write a query. Write a query. Simple query. Write a query to display those departments from DEPT table, DEPT table having employees having employees in EMP table. Having employees in EMP table. Write a query to display those departments from DEPT table having employees in EMP table. Try it. Or maybe DEPT table 10, 20, 30 department details are available in EMP table. No? Those things. Write a query to display those departments from DEPT table having employees in EMP table. 40 department employees are not there in EMP, but 10, 20, 30 is available. No? Yeah. Slowly try it. Easy. Then main queries we are starting. All are writing. Very good. So many fellows are writing correct, but unfortunately, which one is a parent query, which one is a child query table, you must be familiar here. Now here more clearly you are reading this query. Write a query to display those departments from DEPT table. That's why I'm giving that much of time. Here up to now EMP table, but here display those departments from DEPT table. That's why which one we have to display, that we are writing in a where parent query or child query. Very good, parent query. Display mechanism we are writing in a where parent query. That is important. So many fellows are cell star from EMP they are writing. No, here reverse. That's why I'm giving that much of time. You are reading a query carefully or not. Display those departments from DEPT table. Display mechanism we are writing in a parent query. Yes, having employees in a child query means EMP table details you are writing in a child query. Now check it out. Now this is reverse. No? Suppose here I want to display those departments from DEPT table means select star from DEPT, not EMP. Okay. Where department number no common column is equal to first I am writing. Now here select department number from EMP like this. Just I am writing like this means here also subquery returns more than one row. Now here why? Because select department number from EMP means already so many fellows having idea. Child query we are executing means multiple values it will be written or not. Whenever multiple values it will be written, that is a multiple row subquery. So now that's why here in a previous case whatever query is there, in this query just subquery returns more than one row means in place of is equal to just we are using a what? Which operator? In is a operator. In is a operator we are using only. And now automatically, yes, here 10, 20, 30 department details are displayed, but these departments only available in a where? EMP table. 10 is there, 20 is there, and 30 is there like that. Now here, write it. Directly write it. Finished. Now our last one, not inside also, one query write it, then we are starting important queries, write it. Opposite, write it. Write a query. Write a query, very easy. Write a query to display those departments from DEPT table does not have employees in EMP table. Write a query to display those departments from DEPT table does not have employees in EMP table. Very easy. Oh, maybe 40th department details are not available in EMP table. No? Yes, you're very easy. Very good. Just not in operator we are using, very easy, dead easy. Okay, fine. Why slowly I'm telling me is this queries again we are converting to exist operator. What is the difference between in and exist in a correlated with this non-correlated? We are learning. That is most powerful. Just that purpose, up to that one practice purpose. Not in, no, yes. 40th department, yes, very good. 40th department details are not available in a where EMP table or not. Yes, write it. Very good. So many fellows are writing. Correct. Output also roughly write it. 40th department. Completed. Now very important. Actually, whenever anybody wants work in a where in a project site or anybody wants to attend a what interview, then those persons interview are not asking these type of single row, multiple column outdated. These are basics. What is the main queries means totally different. Now onwards, today onwards, very important only. That's why slowly I'm telling just at least idea purpose, some small thing writing purpose. Now onwards, very important. Some separate concepts are there in every database. What is that one means? Auto increment is a concept, pivoting is a concept. Today, top and analysis is a concept. These are common concepts in every database. That one was most powerful. That is the queries. Before we are going to start that main queries in a project side, compulsory you are learning basics, minimum basics of the where single row subquery, already have an idea. Multiple row subquery, basic, in operator, you have an idea. All and any leave that one. Okay, so is just a single row subquery, multiple row subquery, basic in operator, you have an idea enough. Based on this knowledge, we are starting today a very important concept that is called a universal concept in every database query side. Top-N analysis, very important. Top-N analysis. This is subquery chapter side only, very important. Then only top-N analysis after ranks, dense rank, analytical functions, Windows functions only. After that one only, we are using a multiple column subquery. Big concept this one, but very important. Row num we are using row num alias name through queries. What is this one? How can I control? This is the main concept. This is a key concept only. Now here, write it. Top-N analysis. Top-N analysis through top-N analysis. Top-N analysis queries only. Okay. very. What is top-N analysis means? Observe it here. Very important. Suppose, for example, some queries are there. Through that one, you are understandable very easy. But top-N analysis is very important in a entry point of view and real-time point of view. Very important, mandatory to know. Suppose in a company details are there. In that one, I want to retrieve top 50 sales peoples in my company. Then we go for top-N analysis query. Suppose in a so many companies are there, I want in a best selling cars in a certain region, 5 most popular routes, otherwise 30 worst performance stores. These kind of queries mostly used in a business intelligence. In this case, always highest and lowest values from the order list I want to retrieve, then we are using a what? Top-N analysis queries. How and what is that one means? I will tell you. Business intelligence side, very important this one in the reporting side. Suppose in our practice purpose, ANSI standards giving a what? Outside person easily understandable purpose. I want to display first 5 highest salary employees in EMP table. Or maybe who are the employees are getting about first 5 highest salaries. Otherwise, lowest 7 salaries from the EMP table. These type of queries are called top-N analysis queries. Top-N analysis queries only. What is top-N analysis means? How to limit the number of rows written from the order set of data in a SQL. What is that one means? I will tell you. And now here, write it. In relational databases, right? Practically very interesting. In relational databases, top-N analysis, top-N analysis deals with how to limit, write it. How to limit is a definition. How to limit number of rows return from the ordered set of data ordered set of data. Now, suppose first 5 highest salaries, last 7 lowest salaries. I'm telling no, what is the meaning of this one? A top analysis queries retrieves top 10 highest or lowest values from a table. How can I miss? I will tell you. Write it. These queries returns, top n analysis queries. Some queries are there. Top n, top hyphen n, top n analysis. Top n analysis queries returns top hyphen n, top n highest or lowest values, highest or lowest values from a table. Now very important, totally new concept, totally new. Now actually, if you are writing a top and analysis queries before Oracle Tolosi means compulsory, we must familiar two new concepts. Both the concepts are very important. But Tolosi onwards, some other concepts they are giving only. That is also we are learning. This is also you are learning. Both the concepts are most powerful. Now, what is that one? How can I miss? I will tell you. Write it. Next para. Next para, write it. In Oracle side. In Oracle, if you want to implement top n analysis queries, then we are using following concepts. Two concepts are required. Following concepts. These are first one, very important. Without this one, there is no Oracle database that much of powerful. Up to now, you don't have an idea. Inline views nowadays, very important. Inline views means special type of queries. Don't worry. Second one, very important. Use concept only in a Oracle side, most powerful magic column, that is row num. Row number, don't write it. Row num. These two concepts, you have an idea. Then how can I apply? Then only we are writing a top analysis. But row num is a very important concept, big concept. That's why this chapter is very important. Write it. In Oracle, if you want to implement top and analysis queries, then we are using following concepts. These are first one, inline views. What is that one? I will tell you. Most powerful. First one, write it. Inline views. Second one, row num. ROWNUM. Row num. Write it. Not a row number. Row num is a predefined. What is that one? We are learning pseudo columns and all this. Okay, na? Yes, first one, very important. Each and every concept, concentrate. That's what slowly I'm telling. These are mandatory concepts. Inline view. Inline view. Now check it out. Start writing inline view. What is inline view means? Don't write it. Just observe it here. Up to now, we are learning a single row and multiple row subqueries. In that queries, how you are writing the what? Some queries, select star from EMP, where something only. Again, we are writing some column. Again, we are writing a what? Select. So now here, yes, here, some column only from table name, something we are writing or not? Yes, here. But unfortunately, you are observing or not. This is a child query. This is a child query. Up to now, this child query we are using a what? in a parent query where clause or parent query having clause. Having clause queries also we are writing or not. Generally, this child query is also called as subquery. Subquery we are using in a where only in a where after where clause or after having clause. Up to now I am writing, okay, either single row or multiple row or anything. But unfortunately, inline views means different, totally different. This child query we are using in a where, just not in a where after where clause, not in a where after having clause. Just these child queries are using in a where parent query table. Parent query table is there or not? Yes, parent query table. Here in a parent query table, some table is there. In place of table name, we are writing in a where child query. In place of table name, we are writing a what? Here child query. In place of table name, you are writing a what? A child query in a way within a parent query only. That is called inline view. Subquery used in a where from class, or now here yes, child query we are using in a where in place of table name within a parent query. That is called inline view. Observe it here. Select y and what is that one? I will tell you. Select a star from, generally select a star from table name you are writing. But in place of table name, just we are writing a what? Some other query, child query or sub query. Yes, that is called what? Inline view. Inline view or sub query used in a where from class. That's why just observe here. In place of table name, we are writing a what? Some query, sub query or child query. Sub query in a where in place of table name, we are writing a what? Sub query in a parent query is called inline view, or sub queries are used in a from class. Why? What is the need? Up to now we are writing the queries. Why we are learning about these type of different queries? These type of queries nowadays, SQL Server languages also it is available. Olden days in a Oracle side also it is available. Why Oracle introducing about these type of queries? But whichever version onwards these type of queries are available means only Oracle 7.2 onwards available. Only Oracle 7.2 is available, onwards available. In a top analysis queries, compulsory we are using a what? This queries, very important. Oracle 7.2 version onwards, they are introducing a inline views. Why and what is that one? What is the purpose, reasons, so many things we are learning. That is important. Write it. Some theory, write it. Big concepts, each and every. Write it. Oracle, very interesting. Oracle 7.2. Oracle 7.2 introduced. Oracle 7.2 introduced inline views. Inline views. Inline views are special type of queries. Special type of queries used in Oracle database. Oracle database. In inline views, write it. In inline views. In inline views, we are using subqueries. We are using subqueries in place of table name, within parent query. Within parent query. In inline views, we are using subqueries in place of table name within parent query. Syntax, write it. Syntax. Select star from. Here table name is there, no? Just in place of this table name, just we are using a what? A subquery. Brackets are required. This is called subquery. Just in place of table name, we are writing a what? Some subquery or child query. That is called inline. Write it. Very good. Stored select statement, some fellows are telling. Very good, 100% correct. What happened? What is that one? We are learning. Don't worry. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Concentrate. Now here. First observe it here. Actually, where we are using in a project side, these type of queries, very important. What is the necessity? Why Oracle Corporation introducing a what? This concept. Actually, two purposes. Two purposes, very, very important. Both the purposes are very important. One is top analysis side, order by class, something I will tell you. Another one is very easily understandable developers, that alias name related concepts. In those type of situation, there is no alternative choice. Compulsory these type of queries we are using. What is that one means? Practically observe it here. What is the need of these type of queries? Where they are using really in a project side. That's why in a previous classes, I am telling you what. So now some concepts. Now you are understandable. Anybody attending a first initial classes, operators are operators are used in select statement. I am telling you are remembering or not, I don't know. In that operators are used in a select statement. So many operators are there, but unfortunately, one of the stays arithmetic operators. I am telling. Slowly observe it here. Arithmetic operators. I am telling. In that class, one example I am telling. You are observing or not? One example I am telling. What is that one I'm telling? That's a fixed example. Why means the subject we are learning very easy way. Now, I want to display e-name. I want to display salary. I want to display annual salary from EMP table. I'm asking. Then how you are writing a what? That query, observe here, very important. Now through this query, very interesting. Now here, just we are writing select e-name, comma, sal, comma, annual salary means a salary into 12 only. I'm telling. From table name, I'm telling. But unfortunately, in place of salary into 12, some alias name we are creating, you are observing or not, a display purpose. That is called annual salary from EMP. I'm telling or not? Yes, already on idea, those things. Now here, check it out, check it out, check it out. Yes, here. Through that one, very easily understandable. Suppose you are observed here, don't write it. Now very interesting, very important that one. Select e-name, comma, salary, comma. Yes, salary into 12. Directly I'm telling, don't write it. Now salary into 12. Yes, annual salary from EMP table. Okay, fine. Yes, I don't want interested to display the what? Salary into 12 like this only. In place of this one, I want to display annual salary is a message I want to display. Here, annual salary I want to display. In that case, that is called column alias name. I'm telling. Already I'm telling about column alias name. Here, annual salary like this. Whenever column alias name is there, yes, automatically observe here, annual salary alias name. I know, you know, everyone knows. But suddenly in that class, what I'm asking, yes, I don't want to display all the employees, all the annual salaries. I want to display, yes, some employees are getting award more than 30,000 annual salary is there. Those employees I want to display, I'm asking. Then 30,000, 50,000 is available in a where, which column? Annual salary is a column that is we are using in a more than operator means greater than, where class we are using or not? Yes, here. In that class, what we are writing, just here, where annual salary is greater than 30,000, you are writing, you are remembering or not. But unfortunately, it is working or not working? Impossible. Why? Because in a relational databases, in a where clause, we are not allowed to use a what? Alias name. We are not allowed to use a what? A column alias name in a where clause. That is the biggest problem. Where condition, we are not allowed to use a what? Alias name. Already we are discussing this one. Okay, na? Yes, here. Now, not possible. But unfortunately, so many query side. Yes, so many query side. So we are allowed to use, so many query side. You must use a what? Alias name is required. So many query side. We must use a column alias name in a where clause is required. So many queries are there next. Don't worry. So many queries are there. In that case, suppose row name alias name, okay, row name to restrict value. So many queries are compulsory need to required to use a what? Alias name in a where clause is required. In that case, how can I use it? Means simple technique is there. If you want to use a what? Alias name in a where clause, then we are using a what? Inline views. Why? Why inline views we are using means then automatically that alias name we are allowed to use in a where clause possible means reason is there. Now check it out. What they are telling about ANSI standard means concentrate here, concentrate here. Whenever, observe it here, whenever we are putting a what, yes, here, inline view, what happened, observe it here. Inline view is there, no? Yes, here. Whenever we are using a what, inline view means in place of table name, any subquery we are using means that inline view alias name internally behaves like a what, exact table column name internally. This is a stored result actually. Some fellows are telling, suppose here E name is there, here salary is there. This annual salary behaves like a what? Behaves like a what? Table column. Then only you are also, I am also using in a where clause, this alias name possible or not? Yes, possible, possible. Very, 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 very important. And now check it. So many times in a future, you want to use a what? Alias name in a where clause means this is a technique. Just we are putting a what? Inline view. Yes, whenever we are using in place of table name subquery, we are using means in that case, this alias name internally behaves like a exact table column, same like a table column only. That table column behavior is there, same. In that case, just we are using a what, this alias name in a where clause working. That's why whenever in a SQL Server database side, otherwise Oracle side, just we are using in place of table name some subquery we are using. In that subquery, any alias name is there. That alias name internally behaves like a what, exact table column. That's why that table column we are using in a where clause working. That's why in a alias names you want to use in a where clause, there is no choice, compulsory we are converting that queries into where inline views or subqueries are used in a from clause. Why? Because inline views we are using means in that inline views alias names internally behaves like a what, table column. That is important, that is important. That's why now here check it out, very, very important. Suppose I want to use this alias name in a where clause means simple technique is there. What is that one? Just here we are using a what, a select star from. In place of table name, whatever alias name query is there, that query we are putting in a where brackets are now here. That's why in place of table name in a parent query, just we are writing a what, subquery. This is called inline view. Whenever we are using inline view, alias name internally behaves like a table column. That's why in a where clause we are using a what, table column. Working or not? This much of powerful. Now here, observe it here, working or not. That's why in a big query side, so many queries are there next. And now in that queries, any alias name you are unable to use a what in a where clause means don't afraid. Just we are converting that queries into where inline views. Whenever we are using a inline views means internally alias name internally behaves like an exact table column. That's why that alias name we are using in a where clause working. Very, very, very important, because in place of table name in a query we are using means then automatically it will behave like a table. That is a logic they are giving only. Okay, fine. Yes, here. That's why simple alias names behaves like a table columns. You are familiar, then you are understandable. That much of powerful. And now that is better. And now here through the query you are starting only. That is better. Okay, na? Yes, here. First, write a query. Through the query only we are starting a what? This one. Through these queries we are telling about this one, and diagrammatical I will tell. Syntax finished. Select star from. Two uses are there, not only this one, another user is there. Okay, write it. Write a query. Write it first. Through the practical varies. Write a query. Write a query to display the employees. Write a query to display the employees who are getting more than 30,000 annual salary from EMP table. Alias name, okay, from EMP table. Write a query to display the employees who are getting more than 30,000 annual salary from EMP table. By using alias name, this one, okay, without alias name, different. This one. Write a query to display. Okay, what is my intention? Oh, alias names you want to use in a where clause means compulsory you are using a what? Inline use. Okay. Write a query to display the employees who are getting more than 30,000 annual salary from EMP table. Write this query. This query, write it first. then error write it, then theory I am telling. Error write through the alias. Error. In a future, alias names we are using in a where class means not working. Some other queries are there, not this query actually. This is easy example side in a previous classes. Whatever you are learning through that one, I'm telling. Okay, yeah. Sometimes alias name compulsory you want to use in a where class. Next queries are there. So many queries are okay. Windows function. So many things you are understandable. In that case, not like this one only, but you are remembering means I am designing like. Okay, na. Very important. Anywhere alias names we are using in a where clause means not working, not in this case. In a case, different cases actually. That is you are learning future concepts. Big windowing functions you are learning big concepts now onwards. But you are remembering like this means easy, I think. Okay, that's why. Finished. Now here. Invalid identifier. Okay, na? Now some theory write it. First theory write it. That is I want. Write it some theory. After error, this theory write it. Big theory. Next para. Generally, in Oracle said in a database, but Oracle. Generally in Oracle, we are not allowed. We are not allowed to use. We are not allowed to use column alias name. Column alias name in where clause. In where clause. To overcome this problem, then if you want to use column alias name in where clause, then we must put these alias name queries in inline views. In inline views. In inline views. When we are using, write it. When we are using inline views, then alias name is column alias name, and then alias name internally behaves like a exact table column. Not only this one, SQL Server side also same. Internally behaves like a exact table column. Exact table column. Okay, solution write it. Then I am drawing the diagram. Solution. This is one use. Another use means order by class side activity. This solution, right? Again, I'm repeating. Whenever alias names you want to use in a where clause in a now onwards, so many queries are there in a next chapter. Sorry, next another topic side only. Okay. In that case, I am not explaining again. You are only remembering about this concept. Roughly output, right? Solution, right? After from clause, how it is possible means after from clause we are writing a what in a subquery means it behaves like a table, nothing. In SQL Server, Oracle side, this will be there. Okay. Finished. Whenever in a query in a SQL Server or Oracle side, after from clause you are writing a what subquery means that alias name internally behaves like a table column. That is keep it in mind. Completed this solution, but unfortunately this is very important concept. This is an ANSI standard concept, Oracle Corporation and SQL Server copying only. Okay, that's why you are remembering what this one means diagrammatically better. Oh, maybe whenever we are putting a what alias name query, that alias name internally behaves like a table column, then only where clause very easy. Okay, so now here yes, because in a future row num top analysis after row num through we are restricting the rows. In that case, this technique daily I'm using. Now finished. Now you are writing a what? Draw this one example through. Yes, a diagram through. Draw this one. How can I mean? Observe it here. Actually, here, what is that one? Select. Don't write it here. Observe it here. 1 minute only. Select a star from here. Parenthesis. Whenever we are writing a what within a parenthesis, some subquery that internally behaves like a what? Exact table columns. That query alias name internally behaves like a table. Okay, fine. Okay, and now here that's why here within the bracket in a query we are writing that internally behaves like a what? Table. In that table, alias name behaves like a column. That's why that column we are using. Simple. And now here check it out where annual salary is greater than 30,000. That is the query. But here, this annual salary behaves like a table column or not. That's why within a parenthesis. Oh, maybe that's stored query this one. Okay, that behaves like a what? A table internally. So now table. That's why in place of table name in a query you are writing means that is internally result set. Stored cell statement actually. Now here e name is a column. That is everyone knows. Salary is a column. Here annual salary behaves like a column. Okay. That's why this column we are writing in a way here. Write it. Draw this example. Select a star from parenthesis, write it. Draw the table. Close the parenthesis. Where annual salary is greater than 30,000. Easily understandable. Oh, maybe alias name behaves like a table column internally. That's why we are using in a where clause. Okay, now finished. Draw this one. Okay, fine. Alias name is not a case sensitive anything, either capital, either small, anything you are using also automatically convert into capital. Okay, yeah. Up to this one today is enough. Why? Because next only order by class side, how can I use it? And a RONUM is a big concept is there. These two combination we are writing. Then we are writing about that top analysis for it. Then only RONUM independently we are learning. Up to this one is enough. Why? Because some fellows are attending in a way. Go to office only. That's why I'm up to this one is enough because important topic this one. Slowly. Tomorrow don't miss the class. Okay. Yeah. Only today and tomorrow only. Small, slowly I'm telling. Then again, once your good knowledge means, then automatically so many questions. Tomorrow don't miss the class because it's not completed now. Yeah. Tomorrow will continue. Up to this one practice.